Man, it sure would be nice to be able to go camping with some friends. I would really like that. Well, it is Thursday, August 2nd, 2018. I am camping here, and I'm gonna go look and see where there's some water. I think I'm gonna take my bucket, and I'm gonna fill it up and have dishwashing water. It's beautiful around here. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, probably 70 degrees. Yeah, it did rain a little last night, so we'll just have to stay out of the wet spots. And here's where that hose is running, and it's filling up this tub. It's a long black hose. You can see it comes down the mountain. It's buried in the grass. It comes up there and it's dripping out right there. Spring water. Here we have Frugal lowering the jacks, leveling the travel trailer.
Yeah, don't try this at home. This isn't the safest way, but I'll be remedying that.
There's Sammy getting in the picture.
She's like, Sammy.
Got a dog in training gathering firewood.
Come on. There. Come. Go put it in the pile. Over here. There you go. Good girl. Good girl.
Teaching Sammy Joe to gather firewood and drop it in the wood pile.
Yep.
Got a storm rolling in. It's dark up there. Rain's starting to come down. We'll see how well my little tarp set up here, awnings, holds up during this rain. Frugal's out there in the rain. She's dancing in the rain. Here it comes. Yep, no campfire tonight. Alright, time to go in with the camera. I think someone's coming to join us. And they got Texas plates. It's definitely a vanner. She's going to join Frugal, Kim, and myself. She's taking the long way home. Give us that beauty queen wave. Come on in. We have another visitor coming. Here she comes. Coming down the road. Bumpity bump. She made it! All right!
I've got a very sick cat.
Ooh.
How are you?
I'm good. Well,
Well,
that's not
other
rattling my
than,
cat.
yeah, other
Oh,
than
I know. It's got me all upset. You're a day early.
I know.
Yes, she is. She surprised us all.
That was sweet. I looked and I said, that's slow. And I looked and I was looking for your van and I spotted it. I was like, sweet. When did you get here? A couple hours ago. Did you?
That's what I did is I was like, oh, Deb's made it. And then I was like, wait a minute, that's a hot top. That's Holla.
Yeah. I was like, oh my gosh, no. crazy. Hi, Dan.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, I'm good. I'm
Good to
tired.
see ya.
Wore out.
Good to see you.
Like, oh my gosh.
Bless her heart.
We got yummy green beans.
This is how we do it when we eat as a group.
We eat.
We eat.
that.
Boy.
And I was like, she comes
Is that enough, you think?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
We need
so
some.
kept-
Oh, I don't see any garlic in there.
Well,
Anyway.
we can fix
We're gonna
that.
fix that. Coconut oil.
Always got the garlic.
Butter.
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 You're good with butter.
Absolutely, butter.
That's
goodness garlic.
Y'all say something.
Say when, Dan. How much garlic do we need?
Preparing the fire.
Fly, you better get out of here. Cause you fixing to go on fire. Be easy.
There you go, blow.
Look at you. 2 strikes. That's all it took you was 2 strikes. I am so impressed.
Come on, let's build it
Got
up.
her.
Fill her up.
Don't knock her out.
C-Dub has made fire.
Fire.
Oh.
Yeah, don't smother.
Congratulations,
Woo!
Dub.
First kept by fire. Yay.
Yay.
Awesomeness.
Thanks, Dark Matter.
Thanks, Dark Matter. That was awesomeness.